So hi everyone, I am Qayyum, and in this video we will going to see that how to change the position of an HTML element using JavaScript. So as you can see on the screen that our page title is position change, and we have a style.css file also. So let me import it. Link CSS is done. Okay. Then for JavaScript we will mention script.src, and here we will mention the file JS. Okay, we don't have JS file right now, so we will create one for the same. So we have created both. Now let's create an HTML input tag. Okay, let me create input class input box. Okay, and here in the place of placeholder we will mention type to change the position. Okay, so for example we want to move the input tag in the up direction, down direction, either left or say right. So in this way we are going to create an input tag. Now we have created our input tag. Okay, so when you type here like up, so it will move up, down it will move down, left it will move left, and when at the finally when we type right it will move to the right. So this is how it will going to change its position. So first of all, let me align this input tag in the center. So for this we will use flex, then flex direction column, then align atoms center. Okay, so this is how it will going to align its position. So now let's move in the JS. So now in here in the JavaScript we will use add event listeners to change input tag position. So let's create document.query selector, and in this we will select our input box class. So you can see here in the HTML that we have given input box as our class name, so that's why we have chosen this. Then attach it with the event listener. Then here on mouse enter, say we want an event of mouse enter. Done. Then in the place of function, and here in the function argument we will type our variable. So we are taking e as a variable. So e means e actually pointing towards this input box. So whatever we will do with the e, it will redirected or will change the behavior of input tag. Okay, so that's why we are taking es here. So now here we will use if else statement. Okay, so the first condition will be e dot target dot value. So when the value inside this input box will be up, so at that place we will change the position of this input box to the up. For this we will use this translate dot 3d function. Okay, so here for the up position. Okay, So for the up, so we will take the x coordinate as 0 and y coordinate plus 100 pixel and then z coordinate 0. So basically what it will do, when we type up in this input box, so the position of this input box will be in the up way, it will move upward. Now the next would be, so if the value of the input box is say down, when we type down there, so now at this way we will change the position of the input box in the downward direction. So for that we will take 0, then 100 pixel and then 0 again. So actually here we need to mention -1, okay, and for the downward direction we will mention +1. So in this way it will take place. Now again, else if, so if the value in the input box is left, then we will move the input box to the left. So it will be -100 pixel, then 0, then 0, okay. So in this way the input box will move to the left direction. And we type if we type right in the input box, then the input tag position will change to the right. Again translate 3D, so here now it will be 100 pixel positive. So in this way it will take place. So in this way we can do it, okay. Now let's check whether it is taking place or not. So down, so as you can see, when we move, so when we type down it moves to the down direction, okay. Let again type left, so when we type left it moves to the left direction, and when we type right it moves to the right direction. So this is how we can change the position of an HTML element using the JavaScript. And if we type anything else like go there, so it won't take any place, okay. So it won't move anywhere, so because we don't have mentioned anything like go there in this if else statement, so that's why it won't move. So in this way we can change the position of an HTML element. So hope guys this is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.